Okay. There it is, right there. Solder pulls it in. Use the same size as it's 3/4, then you're supposed to use 3/4 worth of solder. I do about 1 inch or more just to be safe, just so I know I got it everywhere. And I forgot to grab my water bottle because I always do squirt it down with water, and it's like fire prevention. That one was a little close. Bubble out. Keep that burning solder flux. It hurts. Off your solder pellets, your solder BBs, and then a couple seconds more, I'll take a flux brush and wipe it. It kind of helps clean the deal because you can't have it cool too quick or you'll have stress cracks. But the flux is good. I don't like a lot of flux because that pinhole leak that you are seeing is a result of people using flux, which is an acid, and over time the flux itself will eat a hole in the pipe like what you saw on there.